Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking for the secret to look younger than you feel or actually are? Maybe you just didn't get that great night's sleep that you needed, or you had wine instead of water last night like I did, and now your skin is just feeling super dehydrated. A very quick and simple solution that I've been using on a weekly basis are these Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels from Skyn Iceland. I have noticed immediate results like decreased wrinkles under my eyes, my bags are less apparent, and I just look more awake and refreshed. As soon as you put them on, you can feel a very slight cooling sensation. It's not tingly or sharp or anything like that, and you can feel it firming up your skin. Some stellar things about these eye gels are number one, only 10 minutes. Other ones that I've used, I've had to wear up to 20. I just don't have time for that. Number two, they're not wet. They don't slide around. They stay perfectly in place. So whether you're young and maybe had a little bit too much fun last night, or you've got 45-year-old skin like I do and it needs some refreshment, you're gonna love these eye gels. They really work, and that's my point of view.